Right, when you first get into your vehicle, what you want to do is you're going to adjust your seat. There's no point of putting on your seat belt and all that stuff. So you're going to adjust your seat. You want to make sure that you're as high as you can go so that you can see over the front of your vehicle. Okay. You also want to make sure that your arms have a slight bend. You don't want it extended and you don't want it super close. Okay. So you want a slight bend at your elbow. If not, adjust your steering wheel to where it will be comfortable for you. All right. Once you feel it's good, your seat is good, the back of your seat is good, you're able to see, you want to adjust your rear view mirror. So you're going to adjust your rear view mirror to be able to see the entire back window. All right. So once you're done with that, now we're going to adjust our side mirrors. How do we adjust our side mirrors? I'm glad you asked. You're going to go ahead and move it over to L. You want to sit up straight, making sure everything's good. And you are going to push your mirror out as far as it can go where you only see the back door handle. Okay. What you don't want is it like this. Because if you see too much of your vehicle, you already know where your vehicle is. We don't need that. So what you're going to do is push it out. You also don't want to push it all the way down to the ground because we know where the road is. I mean, hello, you're on the road. You want to move it up. Think about trying to look for a big truck, okay? So you're looking up. And then again, I just want to see the back door handle, okay? So I'm looking and I'm pushing it out as far as I can to where I can only see the back door handle. So up, out. So right here is where the back door handle is. So I only see the back door handle. All right, while I'm sitting up in good position, I'm turning this over to the right side. Same thing. I only want to see the back door handle. So right now it's already there because the last student had it. But again, you don't want to be too far in where you're seeing the car. And ignore the top one. The top mirror is for the instructors. We're looking at the bottom mirror. So pretend like you don't see the top one. So again, I'm not looking at the street, the ground, the pavement. I'm not seeing both door handles. I just want to see the back door handle. So I'm pushing it out. There we go. I only see the back door handle and it is right there. Okay. So when I'm sitting up nice and straight, I should be able to look to the left. I see the mirror. Look to the right. I see the mirror. Look in my rearview mirror, I see the mirror. I should be able to do that without moving my head down and sitting up and moving. Now, last thing is when we are looking over our shoulder, changing lanes, we want to look over our shoulder, okay? So we want to always, let's say we're changing lanes to the left, we're going to signal, mirror, look back forward, shoulder, look back forward, and then get over. Now, notice when I look in this mirror, I don't see the orange cone, right? Nope. Even if I go like this, I don't see the orange cone. But when I physically turn my head all the way around, there is an orange cone. That represents a car. That represents a pedestrian walking. That represents someone on their motorcycle or their bike. It literally takes 1 second, watch, boom, to turn around. 1 second, boom, turn around. Takes 1 second and it is free. It also takes 1 second to not do it and it can cost somebody their lives or a lot of money and damage. All right. That is how to properly adjust your mirrors.